Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve one question from Mathematics Analysis and Approaches Standard Level, Paper 1, May 2022, question number 1, Section 8. Question 1, consider all the points A minus 220, B 4, 6, and C minus 14, 12. The line L passes through point A, this point, and is perpendicular to BC. Find the equation of L. So, how can I do this maths? At first, we know that the equation of an equation, which one is passes through any specific one, formula is y minus y1 m x minus x1. This is the formula for equation of straight line. So here the line L passes through it, like A is the point. This is the A point. Or if we roughly sketch for understand, A is minus 2, 20, like this is A. And B is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 6, here is B. And C is minus 14, minus 14, like this is minus 14, 12. This is 12. So here, this is A, B, and C. This is C. The line L passes through A, passes through N, and is perpendicular to BC. So at first we have to find out the gradient of BC. So gradient of BC, formula is y2 minus, which is mentioned as m. So gradient of BC, m, of if we indicate this as a m, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Difference between y coordinate divided by difference between x coordinate. Now, here B and C, if we mention this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, that one is y2. So here difference between y coordinate, that means 12 minus 6 divided by minus 14 minus 4. So it is 6 minus 18. So we'll get here 1 by minus 3. So this is the gradient of BC. One thing is very important here. The line L passes through A and is perpendicular to BC. So any line which one is perpendicular to BC, that's gradient will be negative reciprocal. So gradient of BC is negative reciprocal. If this is m, that one will be minus 1 by m. So it is minus 1. 1 by minus 3. So it will be plus 3. So gradient of, no, this is not BC, gradient of L, because L is perpendicular on BC. So gradient of L will be negative reciprocal of a gradient of BC, as it is minus 1 by 3. So it will be plus 3. You just remember, so perpendicular, both of these gradient product will be minus 1, as it is minus 1 by 3. So gradient of L will be plus 3, because both of these product will be minus 1. So we want to find the equation of L. L line passes through A. So equation of L, y minus y1. So A coordinate y1, y value is 20. M is here plus 3. X minus 2. So it will be y minus 20, 3x plus 2. So if we simplify, we will get here 3x plus 6 plus 20. So finally, it is y equals to 3x plus 26. So this is the first answer. Now the second part, the line L passes through the point K2. Find the value of K. As this L line passes through this point, it must be X value and it must be Y value. We have to put both of these values in equation 1 to get the value of K. Now, instead of Y, we put here 2, 3. Instead of X, put here K plus 26. Now 2 minus 26 equals to 3K. After that, minus 24 divided by 3 equals to K. That means K equals to minus 8. So I hope everybody understood this maths. We just follow here the equation of straight line. We follow here one very important thing. If any line gradient is like minus 1 by 3, any line which one is perpendicular on this, that gradient will be negative reciprocal. And we also know that how can we find out the gradient y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. In the second part, any line which passes through any specific point, we have to put this point to get the value of unknown. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.